Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a very simple chili pickle recipe. So the ingredients that are required to prepare this recipe are, here I have taken near about 400 grams of chili, green chilies, and you can see I have washed them nicely, dried it nicely, and then I have slitted them from the center. Now to make this pickle, you can either do it in the same way, slitting them from the center, or you can cut into small pieces also. And spices that I have taken, here I have taken Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon, turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. This is dry mango powder, 2 teaspoon. This is fenugreek seed, which is also known as methi. This is half a teaspoon. Black mustard, 1 teaspoon. Yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon. This is half a teaspoon of black pepper, near about 18 to 20 black pepper. This is coriander seeds. I have taken 1 tablespoon, and this is the cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon. Here I have taken the carom seeds, that is the ajwain, and the nigella seeds, that is the kala jeera. Salt as per our taste. And apart from this, friends, I am going to make, generally we make pickle with mustard oil. So now let's get started. So friends, first we will heat a pan, and then we will add all these seeds here, the mustard, coriander, cumin, fenugreek seed, and then I will dry roast it. Just little bit. Now friends, it is just roasted. We'll just heat it. Roast in the sense we'll just heat the seeds, and then now we will put it in the blending jar. Now friends, here I have taken the spices here. We'll let it get cool for some time. Let it cool down. Meanwhile friends, here I have taken near about 1 big cup of oil, mustard oil, and I'm heating the oil. We'll heat only till the smoke comes out, and then we will put off the flame and let the oil be cool. If we add this the spices in the hot oil, it will get cooked. So we don't want to cook the spices. So we'll just heat this oil and then we will cool it down. So here our oil is heated. We will put off the flame. And now let it cool down. We'll keep it under the fan. Now friends, I have taken a big bowl, and here I have grinded the roasted masalas. So I'm going to add this in this bowl. And then here comes the turmeric and the chili powder. This chili powder will give a lovely color to this pickle. Then we will put the dry mango powder, that is the amchur powder. This will give a nice tangy flavor to this pickle. Then now we are putting the ajwain and the kala jeera. We'll put salt. Salt as per your taste. Mix the spices. And now the oil that we have heated and then we have cooled it down, we are going to add that. Let's mix the spices. Mix it up nicely. And now we will add the pickle. Sorry, the green chilies. So here is our green chilies. We'll add the green chilies to this. And now we will mix with the spices. Mix it nicely. The spices should go in. Now friends, once it is mixed, properly coated with the spices, you can put it in a jar. See? So we'll take a clean jar, and the jar should be completely dried. So we will add this chili pickle in the jar. Once we have put the chili pickle inside, see, we will fill it with the remaining mustard oil that I have heated and it's cooled down. This is enough. Now friends, you can cover this and keep it in the fridge and savor, or cover the bottle with the clean cotton cloth and put a rubber band, and then you can sun dry this for near about 3 to 4 days. When you will sun dry, automatically the chili will be getting dried and it will shrink in size. And trust me friends, this pickle will taste amazing. I hope you liked my pickle recipe friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.